Hello everyone, this is Engel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the SUMIF function. Alright, so in our illustration here we have sales and commission payout for April 2021. We also have the agent, name of the agents, week on week sales up to week 4. And if you remember on our last video, we just total all of the sales from week 1 up to week 4 per agent, and we got their 25% net payout from their total sales. Now, let's say they have now a quota. Okay, for them to hit a 25% commission, they need to get, or they need to hit their quota for, let's say, $500 per week. So what I'm trying to say is, for example, Brian, on week 1, he got a total sales of $600, and then week 2, he got $500. However, on week 3 and week 4, he did not. So Excel will only add the first 2 weeks of Brian's sales because week 3 and week 4, Brian didn't meet the quota. Okay, so this is where the SUMIF function comes in. SUMIF function it's like a condition in Excel that it will only sum the values if a certain condition has been met. Alright, so in this case, it's $500 sales. So how I'm going to do that? So to start the formula, we will put the equal sign, the SUMIF function, okay, and then open bracket or open parenthesis. And then if you noticed, Excel is asking for a range. Range means where you want Excel to look for the values. Okay, so in this case, it's from week 1 up to week 4 of Brian's sales. So I will just click it here up to week 4, and then comma. Now it's asking for a criteria. Okay, so our criteria is $500 sales. So equal or greater than $500 sales. So we will put open quote, greater than symbol, equal sign, end quote, and then we will put now the $500 cell here. So we will put the ampersand symbol, and then we can just click it here, and then comma, and now it's asking for a sum range. So sum range is where you want to add the value. Okay, so it's the same. So from week 1 sales up to week 4 sales of Brian. Okay, and then close parenthesis, and then hit enter, and then we have the value. So again, week 1 Brian meet the quota up to week 2. However, week 3 and week 4 Brian didn't meet the quota. So Excel just added the first 2 weeks. Okay, so now if I want to copy the formula up to Ryan, I will just click on the dot here, or the small square, or if you notice, if I hover my mouse here, it changes to a thin cross. So I will just double click, and then I will have the formula. Okay, but obviously there's something wrong here. Okay, if you noticed, as I scroll down my mouse, or I scroll down the total sales, it changes from K2 to K3, K4, K5, and so on and so forth. But I don't want that. I want it to have it fixed here. I don't want it to go here because there is no value there. Okay? So if I want to have it fixed here, then I will put a absolute reference symbol. So to do that, in between K2 cell, I will just put the $sign. That's the absolute reference symbol in Excel. Okay, so hit enter, and then hit again here, then there you have it. Okay, so if I change the value here, so let's say $499, then Donna didn't meet the quota for the whole month, or from week 1 to week 4. Okay, so put 500, 599. Okay, so there you go. So 25% of commission. So double click that, then multiply the total sales to 25%. So that's gonna be equal sign. Okay, click the cell you want to multiply. So in this case, 1100, and then asterisk symbol for the multiplication sign in Excel, and then click the 25% here, and then enter. So copy again the formula. I will just double click it here, and then there you have it. So in adding it, same procedure. I will go to summation symbol, click that, and then enter. There you have it. Okay. So the other way to do it is, if I don't want to put an absolute reference here, I can just have, let's say, so I will erase that, and then I'll put the $500 value here, and then enter. So it's the same. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and thank you for watching.